Hey guys, today we're checking out the this little Fiskars hatchet that I got for Christmas. So I'm not really much of a fiberglass handle kind of guy, but got it for Christmas. We're gonna try it out. I haven't really put an edge on it. It actually doesn't have too bad of an edge for something out of the package. Doesn't have too bad of a weight either. But I got to chop up some kindling here for the stove inside. So I'm going to grab a piece of wood here and we'll get to it. Okay, I don't know what significance this is, but so I have this. I use this as an anvil for chopping kindling. So I keep the old trusty east wing out here. And when I slam this into the anvil, sticks in there, I can pick this up, I can carry it outside where I was gonna go. Take it out. This guy, whoops, with this guy, it doesn't really, you gotta really slam it in. It doesn't stick. Well, that's the best I've got it to stick so far, with it really buried in there, but it just kind of pulls out, which I guess it's not bad. Something not getting stuck in wood isn't the worst for kindling, but that's just first kind of glance there. So there we go. We're gonna carry it with the east wing. Come out here, put her down in the grass, and actually I just noticed that too. Let's see if this does this again. Nah, it's just frozen. Okay, set down the east wing. So we got this piece of wood. Let's see if I can set this up on the tripod here. There we go. Got the golf cart all nice and frozen up there. So what I do is I've got myself a basket here I got from Goodwill. And I just chop up usually 1 or 2 logs about this size. And I fill that basket with kindling, so I've got a nice supply. And do that probably once or twice a week. So here we go. Okay. Okay. Honestly, good so far. Splitting it right up. Not bad. Okay, that log's about done. Okay, honestly, okay, not bad. Got us some decent pieces. I don't mind it at all, truthfully. Put this piece up. Careful when you're doing this, guys. So I can get that knot off there. One's a little jacked up. It's not the best pieces of kindling. See if I can get us a nicer piece to try out here. Piece. Blast through it with this. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all, honestly, I gotta say. I gotta say, for how lightweight this is, I'm not disappointed in it at all. I'm always skeptical, I don't know why, about these fiberglass handled little hatchets, which I'll tell you right now, an advantage that these fiberglass have over a wood hatchet is that I'll let my brother hack around on this thing all day long. You know, when you have people that you're worried about breaking your wood handled stuff, it's nice to have one of these guys, or even that east wing back there laying around, to let people hack around with. Which my my east wing, I will say I've got a good edge on that thing. So even that one I have a little I have my reserves on who I want to let play around with it. Because I use this actually for fleshing right now. I don't have a fleshing knife. I use my east wing. But this thing's just a kindling. Just, you know, it just makes kindling like nothing else. It's not the best hatchet I've taken to the woods. It's not the best, but I've grown to just love it for splitting kindling and just have something around like kind of my shop. Or if I need to take the limbs off the thing, like I said, I use it for fleshing. It's not a bad hatchet, but I've put a pretty good edge. I can slice paper with this thing. If I sharpen this thing up, I'd be plenty happy with it. So far, here's a good piece. Here's a little longer piece. Let's take a whack at it with the east wing. Okay. Let's finish it out with the Fiskars. What do we say, huh? Okay, let's take a whack with the Fiskars now. Not bad. That's not a bad little hatchet, honestly. You know, there's only, I don't know how to do a test on this, you know, really. It's kind of thinking of what you can think about. Let's see if I can split it like this. There we go. Goes through it. So, you know, hell, I'd take it out in the woods with me. Try the east wing again. The thing is with this east wing, it's got a little more heft. It does a lot of the work for you. This thing's definitely lighter, but you can feel the force of it still kind of bringing it down, so that's not bad. There's nothing wrong with this thing, I'd say. Just from splitting up some kindling with it. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going out winter camping, I'm gonna need to take down some logs for firewood. Well, first of all, I'm not taking a hatchet anyways. I'm gonna probably take my little boy's axe, as it's called, or, you know, more of a small axe than one of these little guys. But otherwise, this thing's not bad so far. If I have any more updates in it, I'll let you guys know. And otherwise, hey, not a bad Christmas present, you know? So, thanks for watching, everybody. Okay, I just realized I can't wrap up a video of splitting kindling without lighting a fire. So, I'll show you how we get a fire going here. Thing of bacon grease, paper towel. Just dip it in there, get plenty of grease on there. There you go. That's plenty. Okay, put this down in there first. I don't know if you can see in there. Okay, there you go. You can see the fire starter there. Build our little doohickey around it. Something like that. Do one of these like this. Find me another nice little piece. Do something like this. Okay. We got a little something in there. And we will get a match. Okay, this is where I'm gonna have to put the camera down on the tripod. Throw a match in there. Light it up. put the flue wide open and you're getting her started. I got my flue up there. You can see, you know, so I got that wide open. So you can get plenty of airflow through there. And now we just watch it burn. Alrighty. Some of that fresh cut kindling. I might even throw another little piece on there. Nice little skinny piece. I got it. Here's a good one. I'm gonna throw one more on here. Right there, just like that. Okay. There she goes. Up in flames. A little bacon grease on a paper towel. On some dry wood, gets it going like just fine if you got your kindling split up small enough, you know, and it's nice and dry. So there we go. Okay, now we can finish this video. Thanks everyone for watching. Got some exciting stuff around the corner. Have a good day and happy holidays.